Welcome to Hedin Automotive, Mercedes-Benz and Smart of Brooklands. My name is Graham, I'm the after sales manager here, and this is what you need to know about your visit to our after sales department. You can find us located along Brooklands Drive in Weybridge, Surrey, just off the M25. Once you arrive, drive along the side of the building, then take the third exit at a roundabout by the Mercedes-Benz World main entrance, where a member of our concierge team will meet you. At this point, we confirm all the details required for the day, which can either take place where you dropped off your car or inside with our host team. If you booked a waiting appointment with us, you can explore Mercedes-Benz World or make use of our customer lounge area and enjoy free coffee and Wi-Fi whilst we're working on your vehicle. We also have a range of loan vehicles available if booked in advance. Welcome to our 36-bay workshop, where we offer expert service and repair facilities for all our Mercedes-Benz passenger cars, Maybach, SLR, Mercedes-Benz vans and smart cars. Our manufacturer-trained technicians care about your vehicle as much as you do, and we're proud to cover everything from servicing, MOTs to routine maintenance and more in-depth diagnostic repairs. You can order Mercedes-Benz and Smart genuine parts from our parts department, as well as a wide range of accessories to upgrade your vehicle's looks. In addition, official Mercedes-Benz merchandise is also available. We'll let you know as soon as we've finished working on your vehicle. When you come to collect, simply walk through the main entrance of Mercedes-Benz World, take your first left to see our host team. From this point, we'll arrange for the concierge team to return the vehicle exactly where you dropped it off. We hope this video has helped with your upcoming visit. If you need anything else, please do not hesitate to get in touch via phone, email or live chat. We look forward to taking care of your vehicle at Mercedes-Benz and Smart of Brooklands.